Show debut. We thought about Alliance before we bought. How much stuff can you put in there? It's a little Starlink? Not a big Starlink? I don't know. Oh, that's a router. Yeah, okay. Full-time RVing warranty. What is that? What's that mean, full-time RVing warranty? Okay, it's got the little kitchen outside. Oh my gosh, look how... Oh yeah, show price. Look at that. Save some money. Wowee, it's huge. Oh, look at that. That is fancy. So you just can be right out to the kitchen and the... That is cute. Blue Tech. Way to go. Love a Blue Tech. All right, you just hang out here. Look, and if he drives me crazy, I just drop the glass and don't have to... I could just leave him out here. Leave him outside in the rain. He'll be on the outside knocking to come in. Now I wonder, now you have bacon frying and grease is splattering. You gotta be careful of all that, I'm sure. That's as far out as it comes. You got your fridge. Yeah. That is awesome. Oh, and look, this is those little shades. No carpet zone. It's your bathroom. You know, typical bathrooms. Do all these things spray at your body? Like this? Yeah. Shoots water out? Yeah. Your gray tank will be full in a matter of minutes. And you run out of hot water. Maybe it has like Aqua Hot or something. Nice little closet. Look at that. Is that washer and dryer in there? Probably can be, or doesn't have to be. Whatever you want. Who's out there looking for an Alliance? Big old closet. Oh, wait, what? Why is that in the closet? It's not upside down, but it's a pineapple, people. This is a popular model. Show debut, right? Everybody's excited. I've yet to make it to the living room.
It is very popular.
Did you see this comes with Blue Tech already?
What?
Yeah, Blue Tech's already... It says it over here. Oh, look at the decor. Backup camera. Starlink prep. Oh, backup camera prep. Well, Blue Tech water filter. Yes.